Namaskar everybody. I am here to share my views and thoughts to motivate everyone to come out of their shells and explore endless opportunities which can add color to their mundane existence. At this phase of my life, most of the people they are busy spending time with their grandchildren, reading, doing pujas and kirtans, going for walks, attending kitty parties, attending card parties. But let me tell you, life is much more than this. Today, I'm going to share a few of my life experiences. I have been always very fascinated by nature, and walking through a forest or trekking through the hills is always very exciting for me. After reaching the age of 65, I thought now it won't be possible for me. But 3 years back, a friend of mine who is half my age introduced me to a trekking group. And after that, there is no looking back. I have been regularly going for treks with this group, which has children, adults, older people like me. And now what I realize is that age is just a number. It is in fact what you feel yourself. I don't act my age. I don't feel my age. And what I find that I am very happy now. I have also joined heritage walk groups. We go to the monuments, and there the historians, mostly they are postgraduates in history, they are lecturers, and during the weekend, since it is their passion, they lead these walks. They narrate amazing stories about those monuments and leave you absolutely spellbound. This is another hobby of mine which I am indulging into. Recently, I have started learning Indian classical music. I didn't know ABC of music. I don't have a musical voice. I never thought I could ever sing. But a friend of mine, again, when I was discussing this, and I loved listening to classical music. One day I was discussing it with my friend, and then she said, why not try? There is no harm in trying new things. So a person like me who doesn't know ABC of music, I couldn't sing Sare Gama for 1 full month. But now I'm learning classical music. I don't know whether I will be really be able to do it, but I'm enjoying myself. So friends, brace yourselves. Brace yourselves and join me in making life more enjoyable. By doing this, I'm much more happier. And I'm able to motivate my friends to come out of their homes, join me in these heritage walks, treks, and traveling. And we are now a team of 20-25 people, and we travel together. We go for heritage walks together, we go for trekking together, we often sit for hours together discussing our experiences, sharing our experiences, chit chatting, laughing, and having fun. Life is all about joy and happiness. Let's enjoy spreading happiness. And I'm sure more and more of you will soon join me to echo this, that age is just a number. Take care.